there's always something that needs a little fixing on Far Point Farms.
And the Isuzu Pup. You don't see these very often, and it's a turbo diesel. That's a rarity. Mallee's motors at their finest. Two-wheel drive, 6-foot bed, single cab. Oh, it is 4-wheel drive. Holy cow. Even more rare, 4-wheel drive diesel Isuzu Pup. Also sold as the Dodge Ram 50. 5-speed. And mint, man. There ain't no rust on this thing. That is clean. Man, is that clean.
Yesterday coming out of here. And the only thing I've ever done to it about 5 years ago, I had new timing belt put on.
Timing belt?
Brakes, exhaust,
Just the usual stuff.
stuff like that.
Man, it looks beautiful inside.
Opened it up. It was young, but
Would you mind if I pop the hood?
go right ahead. It's
All right.
dirty, but it's there.
Thank you.
Wood last year.
All right. Gosh.
Pull the hood latch.
Super nice to let us take a look real close up on it. But turbo diesel, he said it's got 154,000 miles. Just had the timing belt done, and other than that, it's been nothing but routine maintenance. Let's take a look. Factory AC has been converted to 134, inline 4. I mean, gorgeous. Gorgeous condition. Absolutely awesome. It's even got a block heater. That's cool.